Bringing Cam in now. This is a rare tornado for us.
It is a very rare tornado. It was classified as an EF2 with winds of 120 miles per hour. Typically here in Central Florida, when we get tornadoes, they're much weaker than that. Classified as EF0, EF1. So this indeed was a very, very rare, stronger tornado. Again, 90% are weak with winds of about 65 to 110 miles per hour. This one was an EF2 and it had winds of up to 120 miles per hour, which makes it that classification. Only 10% of tornadoes that we see here in Central Florida are that strong. So let me give you the latest on the survey that the National Weather Service did on this Seminole County tornado. It was started out in Wekiva Springs and headed to Longwood. Winds of 120 miles per hour, again, making it that EF2. It happened around 9:35 to 9:41 this morning. The track 4 miles, the width about 300 yards. And now this actually crossed I-4 and then moved into Lake Mary. However, National Weather Service crews, they are planning to do that survey tomorrow. So we'll find out a little bit more information about this. I can tell you, meteorologist Kellyanne Class and I were on air watching that tornado develop. This is what we call the debris signature on the radar, and it was clearly defined on that radar. We could see it, and really, when that tornado warning was happening, we saw radar indication that definitely there was some type of rotation on the ground. Thankfully, though, as we take a look at our first warning radar this afternoon, we are all clear. Things are drying on out, and we are looking at quiet skies ahead. I'll show you how long some of these blustery winds that will continue into Central Florida as the cleanup continues, and how long these dry skies are expected to stick around coming up in about 15 minutes.